Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular mocha espresso makers, the Bialetti Moka Express and the Moka Espresso Maker. We'll be evaluating these products in different categories to help you decide which one suits your needs better. But before we dive into the comparison, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more exciting content. Now let's get started. When it comes to pricing, both the Bialetti Moka Express and the Moka Espresso Maker are priced at $39. So there's no significant difference in terms of cost between these two fantastic espresso makers. Both of these espresso makers originate from Italy. The Bialetti Moka Express, being the original stovetop espresso maker, dates back to 1933 when Alfonso Bialetti invented it. Similarly, the Moka Espresso Maker also inherits the Italian tradition of brewing authentic coffee. So, if you're looking for a piece of Italian coffee history, both options have got you covered. In terms of ease of use, both espresso makers offer a hassle-free experience. They feature a patented safety valve, making them easy to clean. Additionally, their ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip while pouring. Moreover, both models are suitable for gas, electric, and induction stovetops, so you can confidently choose either one based on your preference. The brewing process for both the Bialetti Moka Express and the Moka Espresso Maker is quite similar. Just fill the boiler up to the safety valve, add ground coffee without compressing it, and close the pot tightly. Then, place it on the stovetop and wait for the magic to happen. As soon as you hear the gurgling sound, it means your coffee is ready to be enjoyed. So, no matter which one you choose, you'll get that rich and authentic Italian coffee experience. When it comes to size options, both the Bialetti Moka Express and the Moka Espresso Maker offer multiple choices. The size of these espresso makers is measured in espresso cups, but you can also choose to enjoy your coffee in larger containers if you prefer. So, whether you're brewing coffee for yourself or a larger gathering, you can easily find the perfect size with either of these options. In terms of cleaning instructions, both products require rinsing with water only after use. Detergents should not be used as they may affect the taste of the coffee. However, it's crucial to note that the Moka Espresso Maker should not be washed in a dishwasher, as doing so can cause irreversible damage. So, make sure to follow the recommended cleaning guidelines to ensure the longevity of your espresso maker. And there you have it, a comprehensive comparison between the Bialetti Moka Express and the Moka Espresso Maker. Both options offer the charm and excellence of Italian coffee preparation. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to personal preferences. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed our comparison, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.